Namaskar, welcome to the digital platform of Rajya Sabha Television. I am Smriti Rastogi. Ergonomics these days is more important than before. First, let us understand what does the ergonomics mean. Ergonomics is the study of people's efficiency in their working environment. In the present scenario, when all of us are required to work from home to better deal with the situation arising out of the COVID-19 situation, good ergonomics remains all the more important. It improves our work output and decreases the long-term detrimental effects.
It is almost a month since the lockdown has been declared by the Honorable Prime Minister of Government of India, and it is being followed by all the citizens of the India. So as far as working from home for the workforce, I can say the people who are working on computer, I would like to say they have to make their own arrangements of sitting. The spine should be sitting, you have to manage the spine should be straight. Your chin level should be more or less parallel to the ground, and avoid bending your neck as far as possible. Screen should be in the front, little elevated, and you may continue doing work on your computer for about 1 hour and then take 5 to 7 minutes rest. Even while doing work, you may, after every 5 to 7 minutes, you just withdraw your gaze from the screen to the other place. And as far as the sitting is concerned, your flat of the sole should touch the ground. It should not be at the angle. And your thighs, body and thighs, the posture, they should be at right angle. And from knee joint to the legs away, again it should be at the right angle or slightly less than the right angle. So this is as far as the posture is concerned.
Working in a wrong makeshift workplace can cause moderate to severe musculoskeletal pains in neck, lower back and upper limbs. Over a long period, this could further lead to early intervertebral disc bulges, especially if you are sitting for long hours at a workstation with poor body posture. Constant viewing of the monitor in incorrect postures may cause fatigue of eye muscles, redness and dry eye syndrome. Being online, logged in for the whole day is likely to create central fatigue, which is a condition where the brain's ability to produce movement is reduced. Many professionals experience lower back pain, neck pain, with or without dizziness, a numbness in the fingers.
If someone does work, they do not have a desk and a chair at home, then what to do? Then you have to customize. You can take 4 or 5 pillows, and on that you can mount your laptop, and on the laptop that angle and that level will be maintained, and then you will be able to work comfortably without straining your back muscles.
In such a situation, exercise plays a major role in preventing these injuries. It has a rehabilitative effect for senior employees of the organization. Regular aerobic exercises like walking around the house at regular intervals and jogging on the spot may help improve the circulation, which gets compromised due to prolonged sittings in fixed postures.
People are not able to move out of the houses. That is causing many are exercise and physique enthusiasts, and they are not able to get out of the house, and going out there is kind of lockdown. The people are not able to move out. Then you have to manage your physical activity at home. So what are those physical activities which you can do? If you are having stairs, just you can ascend and descend 3 or 4 steps. 4 steps you go up, 4 steps you come down. Keep on doing this for at least 20 to 30 minutes. This is very, very simple. Or you can move around, just cruise around in your corridor, or inside on your rooftops, or in your house itself. You can just make a dining table, or you can just keep on taking a circumferential route on the exercise onto this. Then even while sitting, you can press the floor. That will take care of your lower limb exercise. And while doing upper limb, you can just press it, you release it, press it, release it. Then you can do your shoulder exercises, rotations. and then all you bend your knees, bend your elbows, bend your wrists. So rotation. And the main problem lies with the posture. Many times improper posture can lead to backache. So the strengthening of the back muscles is must. So you lie on your chest and keep your hand like this and raise your chin and chest. Basically you have to make a back curve like this, arch, back arch. Whole of the body we are doing front bending, forward bending, that leads to weakening of the back muscles. So in order to improve the strength of your back muscles, you make arch. I repeat again, arch. Lie on your chest and lift your chin and then down, chin, and this will lead to strengthening of the muscle. Then neck. Whole of the life again we are bending forward like this. So the head, neck and the body, they are not in the same plane. There is a forward bending that leads to the weakening of the muscles of the back of the neck. So you can do this exercise with the head. Lock your hands like this at the back of your hand and you push your head at the back. Do it 20 to 30 times before meals just to strengthen your back posture.
That's all we have for you. We will be back with more such innovative and informative videos. Till then, take good care of your health and thank you for watching. Namaskar.